Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Yes, actually, if, for example, kung mag-positive ka for COVID, ang tendency is your body builds up antibodies na rin, di ba? It's the same thing when you get a vaccine. So the reason why we get vaccines is for our to boost our immune system, for our bodies to build up antibodies against the coronavirus. Ngayon, if for example nagkaroon ka na ng COVID-19, nag-positive ka na, or na-vaccinate ka, there is a chance na ma-infect ka. You could be a carrier of the virus, be it a Delta variant or Alpha variant, but the effect on you is much, much reduced. Reduced na yung chances mo to be hospitalized again. Reduced yung chances mo of developing severe symptoms from COVID-19. So, with that in mind, ang pinaka-importante na kinanglan natin tandaan is that ang iban kasi ang ginaisip nila is once vaccinated na sila, liberation day na nila, na pag gusto na sila lagaw, they could take off their mask. I still, a lot of experts would still adhere to the fact that we should maintain minimum public health safety protocols even if we are vaccinated, mainly because we haven't achieved herd immunity at this point in time. Bisan vaccinated ka, there is a chance that you could be a carrier of the virus, and pwede pa rin na makahawa ka. You don't experience the symptoms, but there is that chance na ang gina-carry mo na virus, bisan wala siya epekto sa lawas mo, ma-transmit mo sa imo friends, sa imo loved ones, sa family members. So, even if, for example, nagka-COVID na tayo and we've built up antibodies, na-vaccinate na tayo, we've built up antibodies against the coronavirus, irrespective of what variant that is. It is still important that we maintain public health safety protocols up until we achieve yung ginatawag na herd immunity, wherein majority of the population is vaccinated and that it reduces the chances of the virus proliferating in the population and coming up with more variants again.